Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Nazmi Shukri. My matrix number is 10KM20F1097. So for the case study assignment, we all decide to do the research for the case study to be done in the workshop Foundry in Polytechnic Sabang Perai. Introduction of the maintenance organization. Maintenance organization is the process of arranging resources, people, materials, technology, and others, together to achieve the organization strategies and goals. Maintenance organization structure is the way various parts of the maintenance organization is formed, including defining responsibilities and roles of units and individuals. So for the function of the organization, to ensure that organization comply as per the rules, regulation and policies, to ensure maintenance is effective and cost efficient as well, to make sure that facility parts such as elevator, escalator, service, electric store, HVAC work fine. So for the team of maintenance organization in workshop Foundry, Mechanical Department Polytechnic Sabang Perai, Encik Muhammad Nasir bin Marzuki for Chief Department, and following to the Encik Aswadi bin Yaakob as a Chief Supervisor or workshop, and the following supervisor is Puan Hajah Nur Fadliyah binti Abdul Hamid and Encik Ajmer bin Muhammad Sain. So for the workshop layout, the workshop layout is the art of the planning and positioning the machine tools, equipment, allied equipment, employee amenities and other required utilities space to achieve maximum utilization of labor, machinery and space, and increase the overall efficiency. So this is a layout workshop that is being shown for the Foundry workshop. Firstly, all the section has been arranged slightly to prevent any emergency case happen. So they has provided emergency way in case anything happen.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad Nasir. My matrix number is 10DKM20F1057. Now I will continue the chapter 3, which is list of equipment. Introduction. The goal of this activity plan is to highlight most of the wide variety of tools and equipment used. Here is the list of assets in Department of Mechanical Engineering, location Foundry Workshop. It includes universal testing machine, Sinto, constant head, hardness tester, and others. Now I will continue in chapter 4, which is Standard Operation Procedure, SOP machine. A standard operating procedure is a document that provides clear-cut direction and instruction as to how teams and members within an organization must go about completing certain process. The picture show safety operating procedure wood lead, and this is SOP annealing furnace machine, and this is SOP using a saw machine. Potential hazard: saw may grab and kick back toward operator. Second, flying chip and airborne dust. Third, eye injuries. Fourth, contact with rotating blade. And lastly, noise. A PPE is Google, safety boot, protective clothing, and hearing protection. And pre-operation safety check is ensure the saw is operated on an RCD protected circuit. Start the dust extraction unit before using the machine. faulty equipment must not be used. Immediately report suspect equipment and others. And next, operation safety check. The maximum cut for the machine must not be exceeded. And next, ensure all adjustments are secure before making a cut. Use clamp to ensure and support the workpiece to a stable platform. Do not use a length to stop on the free scap end of clamper workpiece.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nuzul Husni, Professor Safuri. My matrix number is 10DKM 20F1049. Today I want to talk about safety precaution, which is chapter 5. Safety precaution means general activities. They include but are not limited to wearing gloves, wearing eye protection, using equipment that is in good repair, cleaning up spill, access to a first aid kit, and more. Workshop safe operating procedures. First, know your weapon, know your power tool, keep guard in place, remove adjusting keys and wrench, avoid dangerous environment, use proper tool, use proper operational safety check. Do not cut free hands. Allow the saw blade to obtain maximum speed before making a cut. Use push stick at least 400 mm long to guide timber through saw. Always stand to one side of the line of cut. Never remove off cuts or sawdust from the saw table while the saw is running. Before making adjustment, switch off and bring the machine to a complete standstill. Never leave the machine running unattended. Remove the rib flange when using the material gauge. Make sure someone tails out when cutting long material. Housekeeping. Switch off the machine. Leave the machine in a safe. Potential hazard. Kick back. Wood may catch or jam and be flung back violently. Airborne dust, eye injuries, contact with blade at point of operation. Forbidden. Cutting irregular stalk, branches or wood with abandoned nails or screws. Next, safety of yourself and friends. Make obeying instruction a practice. Wear neat and appropriately clothes when in the workshops. Wear workshop clothes and close safety shoes. Don't play or joke while in the workshop. Safety of tool and material. The use of tool and materials must be guided by the lecturer before students can use them. The regular and correct use of tool is important to keep the equipment from being damaged quickly. In case of emergency, we can call 999 for emergency lines, or we can tell the head of the mechanical engineering department, Encik Muhammad Nasir bin Mazuki. Also, we can tell to the JKM Occupational Safety and Health Coordinator, Mr. Wong Chung Fong. Okay, personal protective equipment or PPE. We can use safety goggles, safety helmets, safety earplug, reflective jacket, safety hand gloves, first aid box, and safety rings. Okay, that's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Fatih Zuhairi bin Syamsuddin, nombor matrik 10 DKM 20F 1073. Hari ini saya akan membentangkan mengenai case study dalam subjek Maintenance, Engineering and Management. Saya akan membentangkan mengenai chapter 6 iaitu Inventory Management System. Kelebihan sistem pengurusan inventory. Yang pertama, apabila kita menyimpan inventory di tempat yang telah disediakan, ia akan kelihatan lebih tersusun. Yang kedua ialah dapat menjaga keselamatan. Sebagai contoh, gergaji disimpan di tempat yang telah disediakan dan tidak bercampur dengan barang yang lain. Ia dapat menjaga keselamatan seseorang individu apabila mencari barang. Antara inventory yang terdapat di dalam bengkel foundry ialah seperti yang dapat dilihat di dalam gambar, iaitu gerudi tangan dan mata gerudi pintal, pahat rata, pita pengukur, sesiku L, tukul Warrington, apit G, gerudi engkel, kikir parut, ragum kakak tua, tukul kuku kambing, ganding kayu, gergaji lengkung halus, gergaji besi, gergaji tangan, gergaji puting dan juga pembaris keluli. Sekian, terima kasih.